I am Sonal and let's start off with the demo class. The link for my actual course is going to be in the description. There's also a discount code for that, and if you guys like this demo class, please go ahead and register for my course. It's going to be a lot of fun and a lot more in detail than this one is. In today's class, I am going to talk about why most diets fail. We start off with some exciting diet that comes in the market, and a lot of times it works for us in the beginning and then it starts failing. When you start off with the diet, you get great results, and a lot of research happens over that, because that is not really only a physical thing. Sometimes it has a lot of psychological inputs in that. So when you start off with a new diet, you are more excited. So no matter which diet you follow, you've cut down on a lot of junk or processed foods, even otherwise. So most diets do follow these norms, and those norms itself at a basic level are great. They're good for you and you start seeing results. You do very well on most of these diets. Now, unfortunately, the problem with our body is that our body does not like to lose weight. I mean, could you blame our body? Imagine all of the years of evolution, we were all having scarcity of food because we did not have, for the most part, farming. Our body adapted to that. What it started doing is, whenever there was a surplus of food, it was trying to save the food for later by storing it as fat. And whenever there's lack of food, in the beginning, it is thinking that the food is just not there for a temporary period of time. But later what it does is, your body will come to a set point. So if you're 60 or 70 kgs, your body is going to try its level best to keep it there, assuming that there is some kind of a disturbance and it needs to take an action, and that action could be lowering your metabolism. You are the exact production of what a surviving human being should have been in nature. Modern generation, or the modern human beings, have loads of food. We have food in the refrigerator, and this is the first time more people are dying of excess of food than people are dying of starvation or lack of food. Now, having said that, my main point is that accept that there is nothing wrong with you. Now, there are ways around it, and I am going to talk about those ways in the course that I have designed, because they are a lot more in detail and we cannot cover that in this video itself. The link is in the description. There's a lot of topics that I'm going to cover there much more in detail. And once you understand the reason behind doing all of these things, you have more conviction and you may follow those even more strongly and consistently. That's the reason to build your knowledge base about what all of this is. So I hope to see you there. And as I said, please give me feedback about the topics that I'm covering. If you think that there are a few topics that you would want to know and I haven't covered, let me know in the comments. Any feedback is welcome. And thanks for watching this session. I hope to see you at the course. Bye.